Good afternoon, or I should say good evening, everybody. Good late afternoon, good late evening. We've got some severe weather moving through our area as I speak to you at the moment. We've got some flash flood warnings that are in effect for our area. We'll kind of run down what is going to be happening here in just a little bit. We had tornadoes spotted near Lake Mills earlier. We've had some tornadoes spotted in southern Minnesota and those areas, and we'll kind of run down what we can expect. There is a flash flood warning, which is in effect for portions of the North Iowa area. I'm going to remove myself there. That way you can kind of see more of what's going on. But yeah, there is a flash flood warning, which is in effect until 11:15 this evening for central Humboldt County in north central Iowa, northwestern Wright County, and southeastern Pocahontas County. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area, and flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some locations impacted include Dakota City, Humboldt, Gilmore City, Renwick, Palmer, Rutland, Hardy, Pioneer, and Humboldt Municipal Airport. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roadways. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. So we've got a flash flood warning in effect until 11:15 p.m. this evening for that area. This is a summary of tornado, the latest on the tornado watch that's in effect. A tornado and severe gust risk will continue with ongoing storms. The best chance for tornadoes will exist with low-top supercells traveling a diffuse Bronically boundary line. Multiple low-tip supercells have developed and are traversing a diffuse west to east boundary where strong low-level shear is in place. And that is why the tornado watch continues for this area. So the Storm Prediction Center issuing a statement in this purple area right here, which includes Lake Mills, Northwood, Osage. Earlier, there was a funnel cloud by Mitchell, Iowa, reported by a trained weather spotter. We had some tornadoes over southern Minnesota with a trained spotter reporting a tornado 2 miles west of Freeborn. Law enforcement reports a tornado at the intersection of 310th Street and 685th Avenue outside of Heartland. We've got damage to a barn shed. This is in southern Minnesota, by the way. Damage to barn shed at farm residence. We've got law enforcement reports a tornado southwest of Ellendale moving northeast. And we do, at this point in southern Minnesota, have a tornado warning until 5:45 for northwestern Olmsted and central Dodge counties. If you have friends or neighbors in that area, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Steele County until 5:45. But we do have some thunderstorms in this area. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect in this area here. Pink areas, I'm going to remove the SPC data. That kind of breaks it down a little bit better. But see here, this is the tornado watch. Yellow areas are tornado watch. Pink areas are the severe thunderstorm watch, which are both in effect until 10 o'clock this evening. And we've got this flash flood warning just to the west of Belmont. Looks like thunderstorms are going to train over that area. Thunderstorms are going to continue throughout the night here tonight and create some issues here. Let's take a look at 1 hour rainfall. This is why there's a flash flood warning in effect. So over 2 inches of rainfall just to the west of Belmont. This is just in the last hour to the east of Renwick. That's why there's this flash flood warning in effect for this area. Let's add 12 hours. If you add 12 hours, which would be since 5 o'clock this morning, you've got, 3-4 inches of rainfall with ongoing thunderstorms in this area. So Renwick, Hardy, Humboldt, those areas just to the northwest of Goldfield, west of Belmont area. You can see just the intense band of rainfall. Some of the other areas have received some rainfall too in the northern Iowa area, but not nearly as significant as this area is here. So clearly we've got thunderstorms that are going to continue. Got a thunderstorm over Forest City, it looks like right now. Thunderstorm over Wesley. We've got thunderstorms too in northeast Iowa, where the watch continues just to the west of Rockford. These are non-severe storms, and now we've got an update here. Let's see here. The threat continues for severe thunderstorm watch. Strong thunderstorms will persist with a severe gust threat over the next few hours. A couple of instances of severe hail cannot be ruled out. So, tornado threat has diminished across I would say in the northern, Hancock and Winnebago counties, as storms kind of develop more into a line, the tornado threat kind of diminishes when you have more of these popcorn type thunderstorms like in southern Minnesota. Let's take a look at dew points at the moment. If I can get dew points. Yeah. So dew point here is 74, 68, very tropical. Charles City, dew point 75. 69 in Fairmont, very tropical air. If you get above a 60-degree dew point, upper 50s, then it starts to feel real tropical, warm and humid. Look at St. James in southern Minnesota, 75-degree dew point. So I think the dew point at my house, let's just see what the dew point is here. Dew point here is 71 at my place in Buffalo Center with the weather station on my house. Let's see what the Weather Service says. Seeing the overall threat evolve into primarily a wind and heavy rain threat, monitoring wind potential in the segment line just to the west of Rockwell City, as well as newer storms south of Mason City. So, kind of keeping an eye on that as to what is happening in that area. So, yeah, dew points are high, and that's
I don't know about
that's for
genius,
sure.
but we've been called worse.
See
Call Matt,
here.
Chuck, or Jake at County Line Seeds, offering to
There we go. Mute that audio there. It's a radio station coming back down the line. So yeah, thunderstorm over Forest City right now. We've got that just to the east of Crystal Lake seems to be the case. But yeah, the tornado watch remains in effect. This tornado watch in effect until 10. This severe thunderstorm watch in the pink area that remains in effect until 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock this evening. Both the severe thunderstorm watch and the tornado watch are in effect through this evening. So there you go. That's kind of what we can expect across the North Iowa area. Everybody, thanks for watching. We'll keep you informed. Obviously, we'll keep you informed, of course, on the radio stations that you see streaming across the bottom of the screen. We'll keep you informed with what's happening with that. With the weather situation as things progress throughout the evening. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll chat with you next time.